There goes my greenhouse. It is definitely time for a new tarp. Look at all the snow on top of it. It is definitely that time. Look at all the snow. The snow is beautiful. Yeah, but it's not always fun shoveling and plowing. But it's got to be done. But it is beautiful out here. Like a winter wonderland. I know I look like an Eskimo. Actually, my husband is outside. He is snow plowing. I just had to come in and start the laundry and also put these in the dryer to get warmed up and put them back on. My cat is not happy. He loves his morning routine and now it's all out of sync. Here's my beautiful cat sleeping. He's so cold. He does not enjoy the winters. He doesn't like when it snows and it throws off the routine of us, you know. He likes the morning routine. He likes me getting up very early, coming out, me petting him, feeding him, doing my devotions, going to work, coming. He's a creature of habit. Now he's just snoozing. I put a blanket over him and he's sleeping. That's little Elijah. Very special to me. Doing laundry this morning too. I have to come in, look at my boots so I can get the laundry started because I need to go back out there and I need to shovel. So I'm going to get my blankets washed and my comforter washed. Okay, it's Monday morning. Snow's coming down, but it's not too bad right now. It snowed all night, and we were supposed to just get 2 or 3 inches, but it went up. Well, it went up at first, then it went down, then it went back up. So we got a lot more than 2 or 3 inches. So out here shoveling, but it does look beautiful. I do have to say, I do love how beautiful the snow looks when it comes down. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So let me go ahead and show you how beautiful it does look. It looks gorgeous. Tonight we are having wings. They're frying up. They smell so good. They're going to be garlic wings. I'm also putting some of these onion rings in the oven. I'm waiting for the oven to go to 425. This is my very old cookie sheet, but it works perfect. I put the wings in the crock pot first and I let them cook all afternoon. And then after I put them to fry, I like to do it that way because they don't burn as easily and they don't get overcooked. And I'm going to be adding the Sweet Baby Ray's garlic parmesan. This is for wings, grilled chicken, pizza, and shrimp. The chicken wings that I put in the crock pot, I got a nice jar of broth. Yep, so I will be using this during the week. It's not long term, but I will put it in the fridge once it cools off, and I use it during the week to make different things. And it smells amazing. So that's what we're having tonight. It's going to be delicious. I use this adobo and garlic powder to season my wings because they are garlic wings and they're amazing. So these are the wings here. They have Parmesan on them. And that they're missing right there because I put them on my plate. I can't wait to dig into these. They absolutely look so yummy. So just remember, before you make chicken wings, just boil them up in some good broth, cook them for a while, and then fry them, and they won't burn. And they'll cook straight through, and they'll come out delicious.